everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 30th to the 3rd of September 2021 on Monday. Cracks start to show in Pastor Kaola and Zeketele's relationship as it becomes apparent that they both want different things out of life. Nyawo's quest at finding a beautiful lady to pose as some game proves harder than he anticipated on Tuesday. Zeketele goes too far with her plan to make an impression. Kapsile is treated like a leper. The surprise party or engagement party is off to a shaky start on Wednesday. Kwala drift away as Zeketele tries too much. Iswiti makes waves on the street and Nyawo's alliance with Coco is headed to the cliff on Thursday. Kapsile suffers another blow when she's once again rejected by one person he thought would be more forgiving. Pastor Sambulo and Zeketele receive an unexpected surprise. Coco doesn't take lightly to Nyawo's demand of her change in attire on Friday. Zeketele has a rug pulled from under her feet on the day that's meant to be her happiest. A torturous beauty comes to Nyawo's rescue. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.